Hi, I'm Annie Fitzsimmons. I'm the Washington Realtors Legal Counsel. I want to congratulate you on making an excellent decision in hiring a Washington Realtors member as your real estate professional. I want to help you make another excellent decision, and that is incorporating best practices in wiring funds. You may be asked to wire funds either for payment of earnest money or for payment as you approach the closing table. When you are asked to wire funds, there are three principles I want you to incorporate in your practice. Number one, you will receive a hard copy of wire instructions from the escrow company in a packet of material that's mailed to you at the beginning of the transaction. Those are the only wire instructions you will ever use. If you get an email telling you to replace those wire instructions with a different set of wire instructions, do not do it. Those wire instructions you receive from the escrow company are the only ones you will use. Number two, your broker is going to give you a phone number for the escrow professional, the escrow agent, the escrow company. The phone number that is given to you by your broker is the only phone number you will ever use to contact the escrow agent. If you receive an email from somebody who says that they are the escrow agent and gives a different phone number or of course a different set of wire instructions, you're going to ignore that. You're going to use the phone number that you have been given by your broker as the phone number for the escrow company. And third, before you wire a huge sum of money, run a test wire. Wire $100 to the wire address that you believe to be the correct wire address. Then pick up the phone and call the known phone number for the escrow agent and confirm that your escrow agent received the $100 that you just sent. If they did, great, send the rest of the money. If they didn't, you know you have a problem. I hope that helps. If you have questions about how to avoid wire fraud, talk to your realtor.